Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for another reading for you. Today we're going to be doing a you and yours reading, Cancer. You and yours is a reading for you and the person who's affecting your energy the most right now. And what can we kind of know about it, how we can handle it, what action we can expect. And this could be anyone for you, Cancer. Could be a love interest, could be a spouse, parent, boss, child, or your mother-in-law. I don't know. So let's begin your reading and see who wants to show up for you today. And these are general collective readings, Cancer. Will not resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind. Take what works for you. Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So good to go, Cancer. Let's begin. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And if you're new here, Cancer, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So as always, Cancer, I'm setting down two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center I'll have your action cards, your dialogue cards, and for the duration of the reading, I will be calling this side person A, this side person B. If this is your story, you'll immediately click as to know which side you're on, right? So the cards I have on the table as of now are the Queen of Wands and the Justice card. And for person B, I have the Page of Cups and the Sun in reverse. Alright, so from what I see, of course, Cancer, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there, right? So somebody is feeling their wishes haven't come true here. Okay, so we're going to see why that is. Overall, from what I get here, for person A, on my left side is person A, person B is on the other side. Person A is feeling a little angry right now. They are very upset, they are angry, they want justice. I don't know for what, we'll figure that out. On person B side, I think they want to come forward with an apology of some sort. They're not happy either. They're pretending to be happy, I guess, but they're not. So let's start with some dialogue message cards here, Cancer. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll get on with the rest of the reading and clarify these cards. Cancer and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Cancer and their person. One more. All right. And I'm going to take a few more here, Cancer, from these True Confession cards. Let's see what the issue here is. Why somebody needs to apologize now and why the other person is angry with them in the first place. Alright, good to go, Cancer. Let's begin our reading. The first card here says, I want you to trust me. Trust that I will know the right time to take things to another level. Maybe they didn't commit or didn't, and made person A feel very upset and angry because they felt my person is never going to bring justice to our relationship. So they're saying, hey, listen, I want you to trust me, but this trust is lost. This trust has already been lost, and maybe no talkie either. Maybe person A doesn't want to talk to person B anymore, but person B is saying, hey, I want you to trust me. Trust that I will know. So little controlling here as well. Then I will know when it's the right time to take things to the next level. I think they must have tried that in the past, but it hasn't worked because now they have somebody who doesn't trust them at all. So now they're saying, will you marry me? Now this is the apology that's coming. This is what they truly want. Maybe they were just not proposing because they wanted to stay in control of when I will say, I will decide. But now they're realizing, I think I crossed the line, I waited too long. It's best that I go and offer them this love and apology and say, hey, will you marry me? Okay, next card here. Why did you choose them over me? So these are unanswered questions, and that's why person A is angry now. That why didn't you choose me in the first place? Why are you apologizing now? Why are you proposing now? What happened all this while? Why were you, not doing the right thing when the time was right? It's best to part ways. We are not compatible like we used to be. I don't think that's really true here. Let's see. Clarify the cards and figure out whether this is just a sulk or is it the truth. Have you moved on with someone else that treats you better than I did? That thought is so painful. Yes, now this is what they're fearing. I think person B is fearing now that person A doesn't trust them anymore, is not talking to them, and what if they've actually moved on with someone else who can treat them better? I have a really hard time opening my emotions to anyone. So that's been the major problem here. They've never been able to really say what's been on their mind, and maybe pretended that they don't care. But in actuality, I think they're shaking in their boots right now. I fell so deeply in love with you. So that's been the problem. Sometimes when you fall very, very deeply in love also, it's a little terrifying, a little scary, right? And that makes you run from the connection instead of going towards it. All right, so Cancer, if this seems to be your story, let's start clarifying these cards. But before that, I would like to take some advice from my angels as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. I don't know what you have found, Cancer, but you found it. Okay, you or the other person has suddenly realized that this is it. I found it. All right, let's put this card here. And let's start with the energies of person A first. So person A has the Queen of Wands in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why is person A in the Queen of Wands in reverse energy? Which tells me that they seem to be a bit upset and not wanting to kind of take any more action towards person B anymore. Yes, they feel that their person, this same message came out in the last reading. Whose was it? I think Aquarius's. They feel their partner didn't make any wise decisions in this connection. They are upset and angry because they feel their dream of having this happily ever after. They always felt the connection, that this was a twin flame, soulmate, whatever flame connection. But they feel there's a lot of stagnancy here. It was going too slow, and their partner was never making any wise decisions to bring justice to this relationship. Right, Spirit? What's this Justice card? Justice card. Yes, I think person A is that upset and angry that they're saying, if you don't, bring this connection to a balance or give it any justice, I think I'm going to stop fighting for it. I'm not going to be part of your competition or anything like that. I'm not taking action. I'm dropping it. I'm not going to fight for this connection anymore. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to get so angry? High Priestess. High Priestess, they lost their trust. I think they lost their trust. They really were wishing and hoping that their partner would show up as the one who would, kind of offer that security, stability in a connection. Instead, I think their partner showed up as the King of Cups, who was emotionally a bit closed off, maybe emotionally manipulative, sometimes showed a little bit of love, then pulled back, then kind of playing games with them all the time. And I think person A has kind of lost their trust now and is saying, I'm leaving all this trouble behind. I'm moving off to a calmer, happier space for myself. If this is, if I'm always going to be juggled, if this connection is always going to be up and down, I never know where I stand in this connection. I came into this connection hoping for a King of Pentacles, that spouse, that person who you can rely upon. Instead, my person turned out to be the King of Cups, right? So always keeping secrets from me, always kind of keeping me on standby, always juggling me. I never knew whether we were together or not together. So I've lost total faith and trust in this connection. Queen of Swords in reverse. What's that, Spirit? Queen of Swords in reverse. Why did they feel like the Queen of Swords in reverse? One more. Yes, I think person A is kind of lost hope in this connection. They feel, hey, if you're going to keep me as one of your many options, then I will make the decision for you. I will choose for you. I'm dropping you. This was like a very hard decision made by this Queen of Swords. I'm cutting you off. So now how does person A now really feel about the connection, or feel about person B, Spirit? World in reverse. They somehow, I think, heart of hearts, still don't want this connection to end completely, or they feel there's still unfinished business. Yes, I think deep in their heart, they are still wishing and hoping, as angry as they are, as angry as they're pretending to be, or are, or upset, they're still kind of wishing and hoping that, I don't want to close it out completely. Maybe there is a possibility of a return here. Am I right, Spirit? Eight of Cups in reverse. How does person A feel about this connection, or person B? What's this Eight of Cups? I think they're going back and forth in their mind. Sometimes they feel it's best that I end this connection and walk away. Sometimes if that glimmer of hope comes to say, hey, but maybe my wishes can come true and we can have a transformation. Maybe this person will magically change and return back to me and my wishes can come true. So there is, yes, they are waiting for they're hoping that somebody will suddenly out of the blue kind of make some fast forward movement towards them and have some communication with them. That's how person A is feeling. As angry as they are, they still kind of haven't really closed the chapter on person B yet. Maybe consciously saying, yes, it's over, but deep in their heart, I think they're still hoping, wishing for a return. All right, what action now person A will take, we'll open later. Let's see what's going on with person B. Page of Cups. Then the Page of Cups energy, Spirit, are they wanting to apologize? One more, Page of Cups. I think in this separation, they are also kind of little in lack. Yes, they are. The Page of Cups is clarified by the Page of Cups, Cancer. They really have realized they've been stuck also. They've been kind of trying to see things from every perspective, and they've realized that, oh, I think I need to say a big sorry to my person now. What have I done? I think that enlightenment has finally come, that they need to now come forward with an apology. This is fantastic. Page of Cups clarified by the Page of Cups. Why are they feeling this way, Spirit? The Sun in reverse. This person hasn't been happy since this problem that you guys have had. They're really wishing and hoping that they could find a way to request. Yes, oh my God, Cancer, what's happening? I've got goosebumps right now. The Sun in reverse is clarified by the Sun upright. So they've been feeling very down and out. They're really hoping and wishing an apology can somehow bring some barriers down now, right? End this fight somehow, so happiness can be restored back to this connection. Amazing reading. I mean, I love it when the card gets clarified by the same card. So the Page of Cups with the Page of Cups, the Sun with the Sun. Okay, so what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be going through this huge epiphany now? Page of Pentacles in reverse and the Five of Swords in reverse. I think there was a bit of, either they brought in the stagnation, they played some mind games, but these mind games eventually, I think they ended up being the loser because their person got upset and has moved away from them. I don't know what kind of games this person was playing. Page of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse. Page of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, they didn't make a choice on time, and that's the reason there was stagnancy in this connection. There was a lot of love, there was a lot of attraction, but because somebody did not make the choice, it led to stagnation and an ending of this connection. And whatever mind games this person B probably was playing, they ended up being the loser instead. They were trying to be the victor. It's my way or the highway. This is the way I want things to be done. I'll tell you when the time is right. Finally, they are the ones who lost. So, Five of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Yes, because they didn't make a decision. They just put that blindfold on their eyes, put those two swords against their chest and said, I don't have a heart, I don't have feelings, I don't see this love which is staring at me in the face because I have my blindfold on, so I'm not going to make a decision. Right? And this kind of behavior, eventually they were the loser. So now what do they want, Spirit? How do they see their person? How do they see this connection now? The Death card. Why is that, Spirit? My God, person B is in a lot of stress right now, Cancer. They are very, very, very stressed out. Look at this self-imposed prison of their thoughts. They are feeling stuck. They are worrying like anything. They are feeling like they've lost their power. They've lost control. They're feeling very weak. They're feeling this relationship has ended. Okay, they feel this is ended now. And that's kind of really stressing them out at the moment, because they feel they've lost a chance to have the beautiful Ten of Pentacles connection with you now, with person A. Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Now they want everything with person A. They want a stable brand new beginning. They want to come and propose. They want to come and offer marriage. And what's this Knight of Wands, Spirit? And they're passionate as well. Oh, here it is. Okay. I want to shut this chat reading right here. Cancer, they fear that they've lost their chance, right? But they still have a lot of passion for person A. And this passion is, I mean, this card, normally any other reader would say, oh, you know, they still want to be a player. They're going to step in and out. But this is like red hot passion. Oh my God, I'm missing my person, because I now realize that this is my Two of Cups. This is passion with love. They want to start something brand new, offer maybe a ring or a gift or maybe a promise of stability or a fresh new beginning and marriage with an apology. Wow. So let's see if they will take this action now. First, let's see what action person A is going to take. Four of Wands in reverse. Why is the Four of Wands in reverse in action by person A, Spirit? Yes, person A is saying, all right, if you're not going to offer me stability, I'm going to find happiness in my own life now. I'm happy the way I am. I can leave that one cup that which I always wanted you to offer me, to make it the Ten of Cups, so I have a happily ever after. But I've suddenly realized my 9 cups are enough for me. I'm not sharing anything with you because you never shared your life with me. So this person A is sitting pretty in their life, secretly hoping, I think, wishing that the person will return, but healing and taking care of themselves. Let's see if the person B is going to take any action. Four of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they are kind of loosening up their stance here of holding back, but very restless about doing it. They're very, very restless about doing it. They don't know how to. Action, Spirit. Action from person B. We need action. Yes, they're coming. They are coming to fight one more time, Cancer. They are coming with their emotions. They're coming on their white horse. This is a knight in shining armor, wanting now to loosen up and not hold back their emotions anymore. Yes, but the only little bit problem here is they're very, very restless right now. They feel they've lost their chance. They feel their person is doesn't love them anymore. They feel the person is not showing them any love, and they're not sure whether this 10 of Pentacles will even be accepted now. Okay, but heart of hearts, this person really wants to come forward now and express their emotions. No wonder Spirit said, you found it. So person A has found that missing piece, which was their heart. Alright, these are beautiful cards here, Cancer. I hope it works out this week. Time is fluid, but we'll keep checking their energy. So next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.